In this video, I'll show you how to log into TikTok website using QR code from the TikTok app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So to get started, go ahead and head over here into tiktok.com. Now in here, go ahead and click on that login button at the left side of your screen. Now from here, you just need to go ahead and click on the use QR code button at the top of this pop-up. So now this will redirect you into this section. So this is the QR code that you'll need to scan using a camera on your phone or the scanner app on your phone. So just go ahead and scan this QR code with your mobile device camera and a link will pop up on your screen. So just go ahead and visit that link and that will redirect you into the TikTok app on your device. Now from there, you need to enable access to your TikTok account using your PC, confirm login or sign up, and after you enable that, you'll be able to sign in into your TikTok account on the TikTok website. And that is how you can simply log into TikTok website using QR code from the TikTok app. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.